Well, students, we are on ninth episode, and we are on the topics of tax. Especially, we are doing on the topics of tax, discount, and VAT. We did different types of two questions earlier than this episode, seventh and eighth episode. Uh, we found first SP with VAT. Well, MP is given, discount percent is given, and VAT percent is given. Then the next questions we did, unknown of MP, discount percent is given, VAT percent is given, and SP with VAT is given. So well, students, see the questions. We are on the same questions, but unknown we have to find according to questions. The mark price of a computer is Rs 40,000. After allowing a certain percent of discount, there is the focusing point. After allowing certain percent of discount, it means discount percent is not given. Just mention here just certain percent of discount and including 13% VAT. It means MP is given, VAT percent is given, and the computer is sold at Rs 40,680 rupees. It means it is SP with VAT. Calculate the discount percent and VAT amount. Definitely, discount percent is not given, so you are going to find discount percent, and at last you are going to find the VAT amount. So, before to beginning, again I request to all you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends, like, comments, as well as click the button of our videos so notification will inform to you the video is ready for you. And next things, all students, I think you are practicing at home safely and enjoying with doing some tasks, creativity, innovation. These are the well quality of well students. So well students, let's go on with the topics. As well as the questions, I want to focus on the side of this SP. At the beginning I focus to you, SP means MP minus this percent of MP. Then SP with VAT means SP plus VAT percent of SP. And you have to find here VAT amount also. So VAT amount means VAT percent of SP. So let's students. The mark price of computer is 40,000. It means MP equal to Rs 40,000. After allowing certain percent of discount, I focus to you beginning in the questions while we are reading certain percent of discount. It means discount percent is not mentioned here, so you can let the discount percent, or it means you can write as a percent discount rate. You can write as a discount rate, you can let X percents, that could be let. It's not mentioned here. So discount rate, we let the X percent. VAT rate is mentioned there. VAT rate is given 13%, and then is given SP with VAT. The price of SP with VAT equal to Rs 40,680 rupees. And you have to find the discount rate which we let here X, and then the VAT amount. At last you have to find VAT amount. VAT amount equal to what? So well students, the same process is similar, just the questions mentioned here unknown percent of discount rate. So well, you can go on MP and discount rate, because discount rate is calculation on MP. So you can write here SP SP equal to MP minus this percent of MP. MP is given here how much? RS 40,000, and this person is not mentioned, just we let it the X person, so X person of MP means 40,000. So well students, go on process. 40,000 X person is removed, divided by 100 into 40,000. Now you have to do algebraic simplify here. So 100 into 40,000, it becomes into 100 means 20, 40 lakhs it becomes, minus 40,000 X by 100. So it is the unknown of SP. Now that percent is given there, that rate is 13%. So SP with that is given here how much? RS 40,680, and you know that SP with that means SP plus that percent of SP, because you know already clearly that rate is calculation on SP. SP with that means SP plus that rate, that percent of SP equal to RS 40,680. So well students, now you can solve it easily. SP means what we found here. You can reduce this one also as a easy. So 100 is common here. You can do, I can show to you. SP, 1 second, look at here. SP means 40 lakh minus 40,000 X by 100. So 100 is common here, so you can get 40,000 minus 400 X by 100. So this 100 divided one time, so you will get 40,000 minus 400 X. So reduce amount of SP I show to you, it means you can mention here. So let's students, SP means what we found here in roughly 40,000 minus 400 X, then plus that percent is 13%, remove percent divided by 100 into again 40,000 minus 400 X equal to how much? 40,680 rupees. So solve it. You will get again 100 into 40,000 minus 400 X plus 40,000 minus 400 X by 100 equal to 40,680. So well, you can here check here, total this similar is like an example, if you let A, then 100A plus 13A means 113A. So in the same way you can write 113 40,000 minus 400 X equal to 40,680. So well students, you can solve it now. Multiplying this 113 and 40,000, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Then multiply 4, 12, 5, 4. So you will get 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 45 lakhs, 20,000 minus you can do it here, multiplying this 100 to here. So now Again multiply to this one, you will get 20 years, and 4 similarly. 113 into 4 means 452. So 45,200 years equal to, multiply this, you will get 4068000. So it means 40,68,000. Now solving this, 45,20,000 minus 40,68,000, you will get 45200 years. Now subtract 40,68,000 from 45,20,000, you will get 30, well, 000. Now here is one more 0, here is 8, so 2, and now here 1, 6 means 5, 11 minus 6, so here is 5, then here is 0, so 4, and 4 minus 4. It means you will get, if you subtract 40,68,000 from 45,20,000, you will get 4,52,000 equal to 4,45,000 years. So well, at last, if you calculate it, you will get x equal to 452,000 by 452,000. It means x equal to, if you divided this one, the result will be 10. So it's a discount percent, we let it, so x we got 10%. It means, well students, we got the discount rate is 10%. It just is like a algebraic simplify, the same process, MP, then discount rate, you can get the SP, MP minus dispersion of MP, then SP with that is given, that rate also given, so SP with that means SP plus that percent of SP. Then when you do simplify, then the value of x, you got 10%. And the questions, calculate the discount percent and VAT amount. We got x, it means discount rate, discount percent, it means 10% we got. Now you have to find the VAT amount. So well students, VAT amount. So it's very easy, because you have to find VAT amount for, you have to find SP. It means, here is mentioned here, first you can find the SP. So easy, it can be easy. SP, what we did at the beginning, SP means 40,000 minus 400 years, that is SP. So let it solve. SP you will get then 40,000 minus 4,000, 400 into 10 means 4,000. Okay, you can do one more step. 40,000 minus 4,000, it means you will get 36,000. So SP means 36,000, because you can get directly that amount, because that percent is calculated on SP. So we got the real actual value of SP, 36,000. So now, well, you can do easily the VAT amount. Now we get here VAT amount equal to VAT rate, VAT percent of SP, and VAT rate is what is there, 13 by 100 into what we got the SP, 36,000. So well, you can multiply this 2 and divide it, you will get how much you will get, 4,680, 4,680. So if you multiply 13 into 36,000 and divide by 100, then you will get 4680. It means 4,680. So you will got the VAT amount also. So well students, Same process, just as a unknown of discount percent, and we let the unknown discount percent as a x percent, and we solve as the same process as we did at the beginning. So once again, thank you well to students, and I wish and hoping to you are practicing at home and doing well and enjoying by staying safe at home. Thank you.